Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Grammarly writing automation in browser extensions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Grammarly writing automation in your browser extensions, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Locate the extensions menu within your browser. In Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Then, select More Tools and choose Extensions from the submenu. For Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Then select Add-ons and Themes and navigate to Extensions. Once you are in the Extensions menu, find the Grammarly extension. Check if the extension is enabled. If it is disabled, click the toggle switch to enable it. If Grammarly is not listed, visit the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-on site. Search for Grammarly in the search bar. Click on the correct Grammarly extension in the search results. Then, click the Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox button. Follow the prompts to install the extension. Once installed, return to the Extensions menu. Ensure Grammarly is enabled again. Next, click on the Grammarly icon in your browser toolbar. Sign in to your Grammarly account if prompted. After signing in, navigate to the settings within the Grammarly extension. Look for an option related to writing automation. Make sure it is toggled on. Refresh your browser to apply the changes. Finally, test the Grammarly tool by writing on a text field. You should now see the Grammarly suggestions and automation features restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.